Hello my dear family members, if you have been searching everywhere for the latest Accenture Custom Software Engineer interview experience for SAP HANA, ABAP and Python, you have probably noticed one thing, it's almost impossible to find, but today you are getting exactly that. In this video, I'll share a real interview experience, the actual questions asked and the complete interview pattern to help you prepare with confidence. So don't skip a single minute because many of these questions could appear in your slot as well. Now let me discuss that. Just before that guys, if you have not subscribed this channel yet, then please do subscribe. It motivates me to make more content for you and upcoming time. Okay, as this is our actual channel but we are moving to this channel, so please guys do subscribe and watch the playlist regarding any content you want and let me know which content you want more. Okay, now the first question will be,
hey, you ready for the future? Techno UF is here with premium prep materials, no need to fear. Cognizant, Accenture, TCS and more, we'll get you ready, open up that door.
guys, if you are preparing for SAP HANA, then watch at the beginning, and if you are preparing for Python interview only, then watch the last part of the video. Okay, now in this tab I am sharing the common questions you can both expect. Okay, tell me about yourself, why this role, why should we hire you, any weakness. So these are the common questions you will face and how you should answer. That is, let's say you have been asked why should we hire you, you must have give a dynamic and very suitable answer, and that should be attractive and that should be impacted. I learn quickly, communicate clearly and can connect business requirements with technical implementation. Whenever you say something, like if you compliment yourself, then they will ask you, interviewer will ask you, can you give me one example or real-time experience where you have proved that you are a very good communicator or you learn quickly, where it's happened. So you have to give example. Okay, if they have asked you any weaknesses, so this is a very best answer. I sometimes overcheck edge cases, but I now use a checklist and time boxing to balance quality with speed. Now is this is a positive answer, but still it's a weakness and it's very perfect, a fantastic answer for this. Okay, so these are the very fundamental questions but repeated and most asked questions, so please go through this. Okay guys, go through these tabs. Guys, if you want the full PDF, then please join our telegram channel t.me/cbkanna and get this PDF. Okay, the second most important and common repeated questions will be from project based questions. Okay, how you should explain your project, you have to use this STAR method. S for situation, T for task, A for action, R for result. Situation is what problem did your project solve, task what was your responsibility, action what did you build and why, and result what improved or what did you learn. Okay, so these are all you need to explain even the interviewer has not asked you. Okay, so I hope you understood. Guys, this will impact a lot. As you know guys, this is specifically for HANA, ABAP and Python. So they may ask you from HANA only or Python only, but if you don't know any of these, then please let them know that you know these and you have built a project on any of the technology, let's say web technology, software development or AI, ML, data science, etc, etc. Then let them know and let them ask questions from those only. Okay, and get hired. I hope you understood. Now let me start from the very beginning of SAS. This is the first question. Which internal table should you use? Guys, this is a concept of SAP ABAP and this is related to internal table. Answer is choose by access pattern, not habit. Standard is flexible, sorted is ideal for ordered or range reads, and hashed is best for exact key lookups with unique keys. Okay, this is the example you should give. Okay, always give example, syntextual, logical, etc, etc. This is the next question. For all entries versus join. For all entries, this is a keyword, and join, this is a keyword. So these are all like they want you to give the perfect difference between them. Join is usually better when the relationship is clear and database can optimize. For all entries is useful when you already have a driver internal table. Okay. Whenever you are giving answer, then let them know that you know the syntax, logics, etc. If you know, then you are hired already. I mean 90% probability. Okay. I hope you will give the syntax as well. If you don't know, guys, S4 HANA or SAP HANA, then let them know. Otherwise, don't make fun of yourself. Okay, this is the next question. User exit body enhancement spot. What are the differences between them? Guys, these are all SAP ABAP related, and I'm not a guys from SAP ABAP. So guys, please go through these answers which I have pointed from the internet. Okay. Okay, and guys, if you want to prepare for all of these for interviews, then please go through these link topmate.is/techno_uf. There you'll get all the interview questions from Java, C++, Python, DBMS, SQL coding questions, operating system, networking, machine learning, cloud computing, managerial questions, HR questions, and all the things, let's say puzzle questions, and also you can give mock interview as well. So please go to the link provided in the description box or in the comment section. You can see this is the 5 materials, and you can see the feedback of students provided below as well. Okay, I hope you will go through that. Okay, now let me discuss the next question. Code push down, CDS and AMDP. This is the most repeated question from SAP HANA ABAP. Okay, and I saw this from many candidates, and they share the same experience regarding CDS AMDP. Whatever you know, guys, please explain them that you know this. You see the answer here, model answers. Code pushdown means moving data intensive calculations from ABAP applications layer to the HANA database layer. CDS creates reusable semantic models. AMDP lets you write SQL script inside ABAP classes for complex database logic. Okay, and this is the SQL view, and this is the AMDP idea. Okay, guys, give the example like this. Okay. Okay, now the next question is, how would you tune a slow ABAP report? This is the simplest method, I think. Trace, reduce, filter, push down, and verify. Okay, and explain all the subtopics as well, if possible. Next question is, rapid fire questions like field symbols, OpenSQL best practice, debugging plan, BAPX structure, CDS annotations, a rap or Fiori mention. So these are all questions, guys, from one slot. So if you want more, then please join our Telegram channel t.me/weekend. If you want to give mock test, then please go through the link provided in the description box or in the comment section. Okay, now let me discuss the very first question of Python, that is explain decorators. So this is a very common concept in Python. What's the decorator? That is, a decorator is function that takes another function, adds extra behavior, and returns a new functions without changing the original code. And guys, whenever you are giving the definitions, always give example and use cases where you will use the decorators, and give the syntax and example with the logics. Okay, I hope you understood. Now, what's the generators and normal functions differences? Normal functions returns usually creates the full result in memory. Generator uses yield and produces values lazily one at a time, which is memory efficient. So this is the example you can provide to differentiate them. Okay, now the difference between list versus tuple. This is a very common question. You can expect this question in every interview if you have given Python as a skill set in your CV. Okay, list is mutable, tuple is immutable. List is good for dynamic collections, tuple is good for fixed records. List can append, remove, or update. Tuple is hashable if elements are hashable. Okay, list is, let's say where you will implement the list, where let's say cart items you can add, you can delete, remove, and then insert. Okay, and in tuple you can use like coordinates based things, x, y, etc. Okay, now the next question regarding ops. This is a very important chapters, very important topic for all the interviews upcoming. Must know the inheritance concept, polymorphism concept, encapsulation concept, abstraction concept, and let's know the definition of all of these and their examples, type of inheritance, type of polymorphism, their real-time example and code example as well. Okay, syntax as well you have to know. Okay, now the difference between args and quarks. So just to give this example, guys. Okay, now next question will be, they will ask you to write a code in compiler in front of them. Just share the screen and write the code in compiler or in notepad. Okay, they can ask you to write prime code. If the number is prime or not, if a number is a palindrome or not, but here they have asked flatten our nested list. Okay, nothing else. So I hope you want to, this type of questions they will ask, just go through this, guys, and I hope this is very helpful for you. Now the rapid fire questions, rank versus dense rank, memory management, fast API or Flask. They want to know if you know the libraries or not. Python libraries are very important. Dictionary frequency, pandas, filtering, git basics, etc. They can ask you questions from those. Okay, I hope you understood, guys. If you found this video helpful, then please do subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding any component that you want, and let me know which content you want more. These are the do's and don'ts, guys. Please go through these. I am not going to read this. Thanks for today's session.
Please subscribe to Techno UF and don't forget to like and share with your friends.